Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Students, today we will learn how can you insert an audio clip in your presentation. To set playback option for an audio clip. How can you insert an audio clip in your presentation? Now, very simple. On the slide, select the audio clip icon, and then under audio tools on the playback tab in the audio option group, do one of the following. How to start the audio clip automatically when you show the slide in the start list. Click automatically. To manually start the audio clip when you click on it on the slide in the start list. In the start list, click to play an audio clip as you click through the slide in your presentation. In the start list, click play across slides. To play an audio clip continuously until you stop it, and select that loop until stopped checkbox. It is depend on you. When you loop a sound, it play continuously until you advance to the next slide. Let us see how can you insert an audio clip in your presentation. I want to just share my screen. Please see it with carefully. First, you have start Microsoft PowerPoint. I have to just click on start button and choose all apps. Scroll down and open Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, it is by default. A screen has opened. The first screen is blank presentation. Click on it to open it. And then make a slide or more slide. Layout. There is 9 types of layouts in given this presentation, PowerPoint presentation. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to choose blank. Now it is a blank slide. And I want to just change the background. Right click of slide, right click of the mouse button, option will be appear, format background, and click it. See, right side it will be appear, and choose solid background. It is depend on you what you want. Choose from here to make your color. Suppose I want to add this color in this one. It is depend on you. Yes, suppose I have taken this slide color. And now next slide is there. Press Ctrl M to add a new slide, or you can insert and press new slide. It will be automatically added. Yes, now this is the slide. if you have to click on here and apply to all, it will for this one also. See, click on apply to all, it will be automatically added in this slide also. Means how many slides you will be add, it will be automatically added by this what you have to select it. Okay, come to the first slide and insert audio clip. Yes, see, very simple. First you have to, suppose you are at home tab, and then after you click on insert tab and choose the media. Here is the media and audio clip is here. You can click on here audio. See, audio on my PC, if you have to already recorded your sound or your voice, or you can also record from here. It is a depend on you. If in your PC there is a microphone is there, you can record it here. If not microphone is attached, it will this option will be not come. So audio on my PC, take from that one, choose the location where you have to keep that file. It is a depend on you, and choose the location where file is there, and then after choose, there is a given start and insert. Yes, you can listen with that. If you have to put that file name, you can listen and see how many file size is there. You can add this file. Okay. Yes, students, I want to just insert audio in my presentation. Click on insert button. Insert tab is here, and then choose the media group, and here is the audio. Insert audio. If there is a two method, you can insert. If you have already recorded your sound or voice in your PC, or you can record it from here. Okay, there is a two method to insert your audio. Suppose I want to first from here audio from my PC, and choose the location where you have to keep that one. Suppose I have to choose my desktop, and I have kept the sound file is here, and select this file and click on insert. Now it is in insert. You can see that one. If you want to play that, you can see easily. You can listen that one. Yes, it is a sound for that what I have to put in that one. Maybe you have understood. I want to second method. It is already recorded sound what you are listening. Yes, if you want to click on stop, it is a depend on you, and stop it. Now second method is that yes, second method to insert or add your audio clip in your presentation. Click on insert and choose media group, and then click on insert audio, and there is a, you have already used this one audio on my PC, and second one record audio. Click on it. Option will be appear to record it. If you want to give that name, you can give. My first audio, and click on record button to record. Yes students, to prevent playback issue, you can embed your audio clip in your presentation. Click the slide to which you want to add an audio clip. On the insert tab in the media group, click audio, and then after click audio from file. Locate the folder that contain the file and then double click on it file that you want to add, and then after click clip art audio. Locate the audio clip that you want in the clip art task pane, and then click to add it to the slide. Yes, 1 minute has paused, and click on OK to finish your audio. Now see, this is the icon for that one. It is the audio icon. It is the audio icon. You can listen what I have recorded. Yes students, to prevent playback issue, you can embed your audio clip in your presentation. Click the slide to which you want to add an audio clip. On the insert tab in the media group, click audio, and then after click audio from file. Locate the folder that contain the file and then double click on it file that you want to add, and then after click clip art audio. Locate the audio clip that you want in the clip art task pane, and then click to add it to the slide. Yes, 1 minute has paused, and click on OK to finish your audio. Maybe you have understood to insert audio clip in your presentation. Now, how can insert? Yes students, now we will learn how can insert a video clip in your presentation. How can insert a video clip in your presentation? If you have already make any presentation or slides, you can insert audio and video both. In this file we will learn, in this presentation we will learn how can add audio clip, how can insert video clip in your presentation, how can insert or add a video clip in your presentation or in your slide. Very simple. I want to delete this file what I have to make, and see, in this file you have to click on home. Now your position in at your home tab, and then after how can you insert video in your presentation. First I want to insert text word and type here Sunbeam and bold it. Size will be increased. And keep it top and give the animation on that one. Animate, add animation and choose add animation and choose emphasis, complementary color and click on OK. Animation pad and double click on it to open property and timing very slow with previous and until end of the slide, and effect is add later and delay 15%. Yes, you can see. Okay, I want to 10%. Okay, now how can add? Click on insert and choose the video in media group and click on here. See, online you can add online video, or you can video on my PC what you have already kept in your PC. Suppose choose the location where I have kept desktop. There is a wildlife and then insert. Now your video has insert, and what you have to type that at the back. I want to just upside. Select your right click, option will be appear, bring it forward. Now you can add. Yes, see, very simple. When you have to click that one and double click on this one, when timing is with previous, your on is there with previous, and click on OK. Without delay it will be start. So you can see, and then after, yes, these are two. First effect is this and second effect is this, but both are start with that one. And I want to just minimize it to show this is a slideshow, or you can also use shortcut key to show your presentation. F5 slideshow, or you can use F5 to show it. I want to just click on it to show it, or you can also give the transition effect first and choose the transition. And suppose last time I have to use the curtain, then after once again I want to use the curtain and delay, give it that after 3 seconds or 2 seconds, it is a depend on you after mouse clicking, but I have to uncheck that mouse clicking, and 2 seconds it will be transfer for that one. 20-30 seconds and it will be closed after 30 seconds. Yes, and then after come to the that normal view and press F5 or this icon. Now you can see Yes, double click on it, or you can press to escape button. To end of the slide. Yes, see, to end of the slide, and then after, suppose I want to insert video clip from online. It is a depend on you, and click on the online web. Yes, choose from the online, please wait. It is a depend on your net speed, internet speed, and suppose you want to use the YouTube or from other one. It is a depend on you. You can also insert from here, type it, and it will be display and locate it. It will be so. Okay. Once again, I want to insert a video in your presentation. In this presentation, in this slide, once again click on insert tab and choose the media. It is the media, and then after click on video. Option will be appear online video or video on my PC. Click on it and give the location. On desktop there is a given wildlife. It is a video file, and add. It is already added. Now students, once again I want to insert a video in your presentation, in your slide. Once again click on insert tab, and then after choose the video, and then after there is a two option will be appear, online video or video on my PC, where you have to keep it and click on it to locate it, and choose the location where you have to keep that file. Which file you want to insert, you can just choose it. Suppose I want to choose wildlife, and click on insert. It will be inserted, and it is now back side is the my text is there. You can easily send it back. Right click and option is there, send back one. It is a depend on you, front for back. Yes, now it is a back is there. See, then you can play it from here also, but it is a for slide only. If you want to show your slides, use the shortcut keys are from this key. It is the icon for that, and click on here to show it. Now this time I will be press F5 to show it, and now just I have to press the F5s. Yes, curtain has opened. Then after your slide will be start. Yes, double click on that one, and timing is given with previous, and OK button, and double click on it, and timing is with previous until end of the slide. Yes, I want to choose the medium. Yes, now press the F5 button to show it. you can see easily. And if you want to exit from this, so press the escape button. To exit end of the slide, click to exit. There is a button is given. If you want to click on back, it is a back and it is a forward. So listen, yes, see, you can use the once again that one, and it is a marker for point. You can choose and mark it. It is a color, you have to choose and mark it where you want. Suppose I want to this mark it. It is a my maybe you have to understood how can insert audio clip and how to insert video clip in your slide or presentation. Do the practice at your home if you have PC or laptop. Take care. Bye bye.